Where to get the best homeowner association gate systems? Nexlar can help. We aim to provide planned communities with the best affordable homeowner association gate systems with an efficient security service. Why does your homeowner association community need gate access control systems? As effective as gates are for reducing and stopping burglaries, they're only half as good without secured access solutions. Gates can draw a line between public and private property. Property investors will be able to take advantage of gates and sell their homes faster since buyers place more value on security. Gate for access control can stop any unauthorized construction by preventing service vehicles bringing in the equipment from entering the community from the get-go. When security is guaranteed by the gate access solution providers, many of the residents' privacy concerns can be easily managed. Types of homeowner association gate access control systems. Pedestrian access control gates. Driveway gate access control. What you should look for when picking the best homeowner association gate systems. To enhance security, your HOA gate system should be able to show live videos to both the security guard and residents. The telephone entry system is designed to prevent the use of forged keys and the problem with legacy residents. The heights and widths of the vehicle that'll be passing through should also be an essential consideration. Nexlar provides security solutions for people, companies, and HOA communities. Some of the features include advanced security system and intrusion detection, security system integration, telephone entry and face recognition access. Feel free to call us at 281-407-0768 to learn more about how to improve your gated community.